I'm Ed from Quality Vacuum. Is your vacuum doing this to you, where you go over and over the carpet and it's still not picking up the dirt? Maybe it's throwing the dirt back onto the carpet. If that's the case, bring it to Quality Vacuum. I've got over 20 years of repair experience on all different brands of vacuums, from Bissell vacuums to Dyson, Kirby, Oreck, Panasonic, Hoover, Dirt Devil, Eureka, Rainbow, Filter Queen, all the different brands. We can do everything from a simple belt change to a complete overhaul where we totally dismantle the whole machine, clean and sanitize it, reseal it, put new filters, brushes, make sure the vacuum is running at tip-top performance. So when we're finished with the vacuum, instead of leaving pet hair behind, it's going to be more like this. Again, bring your vacuums to Quality Vacuum in Grand Haven, located at 1864 172nd Avenue in Grand Haven, Michigan. Our phone number is 616-844-1400, or Google us at Quality Vacuum, Grand Haven, Michigan. Thanks for watching.